There it is. Hands up, do it again. We're gonna do it 3 times. Your front leg is dragging. When you do this, notice how I lead with that. Okay. I step that front thigh till it hits my thigh. So see, one of my biggest fears has always been is doing something that didn't matter and having somebody be able to walk up to me and say they get angry and be like, what you do doesn't fucking matter. There it is. A lot of people get disrespected in their fields. You know, if you're in retail or if you're not a doctor, a lawyer or something like that, especially in a town like DC, I sell you a shirt, you might forget about me within 3 minutes. But I help you lose weight, get in shape, and just have a better lifestyle. You will never forget who I am, no matter where you go in life. It's the trigger sense for the two. You don't want to lag and then have that behind too much, and make sure that when you do that, you bring everything back home. It's kind of a funny story for real, because at first I didn't even think I was going to be a trainer because I lost over half my body weight at one point because I used to be 300 pounds. And then people were always telling me, hey, you need to be a trainer. You need to be a trainer. But I was kind of hesitant. So I really didn't think anybody would listen to me in any regard. So I was like, no, I'm not. It's dealing with that imposter syndrome. Good. Bend your knees, bend your back knee. I don't know. Like, I got bored of just doing conventional workouts, like teaching them lifting and doing this and that and the third. And people are like, they don't want to be bored. So I was like, okay, let me try to switch it up. So I started incorporating boxing and kickboxing into it. But then slowly, it just kind of became the guy who just got known for like teaching boxing, and now people more hit me up for boxing and MMA and self-defense than they do for like regular workouts. So my biggest secret is I don't try to change people. I usually go by people's personalities. Your personality usually dictates the kind of fighter you're gonna be. If you are an aggressive person, if you're a more reserved person, if you like to have your hands down, if you like to have your hands up, I go from there. I don't like to change people. I just build skills that help them win. It just depends on how they are, their personality-wise, and then tactically, I always follow the same game plan. Be as prepared as possible with the weapons that you have. That's just about it. You can't prepare for everything, but I can make a person as prepared textbook-wise as I possibly can. Hands up.